Morning everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. So, yesterday the bears tried to knock it down. They knocked it down below 1303, got as low as 1301.5, but they couldn't hold on. The dip buyers came in, as I discussed yesterday. The dip buyers were going to show up, and until those dip buyers get knocked out a couple times, you're not really going to see the bears take this back under 1303 with authority and back down into the 1200s. So dip buyers came in, they bought it, they ran it all the way up to 1316.5 on the back of the Apple earnings news. That kind of popped it a little bit, and it's been straight down ever since. That kind of topped it out. Current trade is 1306.75. We've probed the 1305 half level a couple times, but there's a little bit of a bid down there, and they're going to try to test it here again. It's about 10 after 9 Eastern time as I'm taping this. So what are we looking for today? Well, today's a Fed day. So I would expect the typical midday flattening out grind into the announcement. I don't game the Fed, just like I don't game the non-farm payrolls. I don't make bets ahead of news that I have absolutely no control over the reaction to. I don't know what the big houses are going to do. I don't know if they're going to like it, or if they're not going to like it, or if there's a comma in some place where they didn't want a comma, so they're going to bid it or they're going to knock it down. I have no control over that. And if you're an individual trader, I would not suggest trying to anticipate it one way or the other. Find out which way they want to take it, jump on the back of that horse, and ride it to victory. So let's take a look at support and resistance. Current trade is 1307.25. On the downside, we've got 1305 half and then 1303. The bears have to get below 1303. They need to break that level, hold it, close under it, and then have some momentum down below. If they can do that, we're looking at 1298, 1288, 1284, 1280, 1273, 1267, 1263, 1258, and then 1253. On the upside, let's see here. There is a daily and 3-day pivot resistance zone. There was one yesterday. The one today goes from 1308.25 all the way up to the daily pivot, or the 3-day pivot rather, at 1310.5. So 1310.5 to 1308.25 is your pivot resistance zone today. Be mindful of chopping up in and around there. We did some chopping just below the 3-day pivot yesterday for a while, and that turned into kind of a meat grinder before we popped into the close. So beyond that, 1313, 1317, 1323, 1326, 1330, and 1332. So trade them well today. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader for Mr. Topstep. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another market webcast. Have a great day.